Okay guys, today I'm going to share with you how to wash your Toyota engine. First thing first, if you're going to wash your engine, you're going to make sure that you don't have any leaks, any oil leak. And if you have any oil leak, first thing first, you should always get that fixed. And because you don't want to wash the engine with a leak and then have all the oil washed off in your driveway or on your lawn and killing it. I already finished washing this engine here. It was really dirty with mostly dust, okay, and I just washed it. So you don't have to spend any money on washing your engine. You can do it yourself within about 5 minutes with a pressure washer or a nozzle and a hose with a good water pressure coming out of it. You don't have to worry about watching where you wash, that the water is going to cause any damage to your vehicle. Modern vehicle is now, everything is sealed on them, so you don't have to worry about that. So you can spray every part of it. The only thing is, when you're washing your engine, you don't want to wash your engine and then jump in your vehicle and drive off, because the engine block is still wet and you can cause probably electrical problem in the engine. So you should be sure that the day out is warm enough and that you're not going to be going anywhere anytime soon, and you just washed it and you leave it open like this so that the water could drain off and your engine could dry again before you go anywhere. Alright, so I will get the pressure washer and I will demonstrate to you here, okay? How to wash your engine. Okay, so you're gonna see here is the pressure washer. You're gonna see the water coming out of it. Hold on, I think I got it turned off. Alright, now we're ready to rock. Even your battery, it doesn't hurt your battery. You can wash it out. So you can wash your engine, you don't have to worry about anything gonna go wrong with your engine. Just remember, if you're gonna wash it, don't wash it when it's hot. Let it sit and cool off. And after washing, don't take off and go anywhere. Just let it sit there and dry. It doesn't take long to dry, because I just washed it right before I make this video, and you can see when I was showing you at the beginning, it was almost fully dry. And you know, you get everywhere. You get down in these areas. This is a fan. You wash the fan out. You get everything all the way down. You see water dripping. You get the whole thing washed. And this ain't my first time washing. I wash it all the time. I never have any problem starting it up when I'm ready. One turn and it's go. If I start it, no, it will start. But I don't take the risk in starting it with a wet engine like this and cause any problem that might cost me money to end up getting it fixed. So I let it dry. So if I'm done with this, I'm gonna go do yard work. In a few hours it'll dry. And if you want, you can help the process by using a dry towel And towel off some of this water just sitting here, and the rest of it will just drain right off. You know, you can towel off the top of these if you want to. And your battery, every so often corrosion will build up on where your battery connect, so you can take them off. Just unscrew your screw right here, take these off, take it out, and then use a really light sandpaper, probably 80, really soft sandpaper, and just wipe around it, or you can even use a Scotch-Brite to clean it off. Same thing to your other wire under here, you can take that off and clean it out. Yeah, keep your engine clean. The vehicle will last longer if you take care of your vehicle. And you don't have to take it into the mechanic. The only time I ever take this vehicle to any shop is just to do oil change, that's it. Or if I change tire. I never did any mechanical work on it. And Toyota vehicle or good vehicle, you know, they'll run forever. Alright guys, hope this video was helpful. Remember, keep your engine clean.